What's happening? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. I'm bringing back somebody that's been on the channel before. Let me reintroduce you to Justin Abraham. He got a new whip, Chevy SS, or known as the Holden. Is an Australian vehicle, but there's a backstory behind it. Check it out. Justin, what got you liking the Chevy SS? I know it's labeled that in the States, but it's a Holden in Australia.
I mean, what's not to like about a Corvette with 4 doors, you know? LS3, thing rips around.
That's basically what this car is. So excuse the Cadillac CTS-V, we're not comparing it to that.
No.
But this is a totally different setup altogether. But like you said, it's basically a 4-door Corvette with a heart of a Corvette power plant. Stay tuned to the ride along portion. That's a hard shift. Chevy SS, badass ride. And shout out to Justin, he a real one on this one. He came through for me on that. Y'all, do y'all hear the way this engine sounds? Come on now, typical LS fashion with a cam. And this with mufflers on it. But I know he got plans for this car. Y'all stay tuned to that. It'll be a future video. That's it, everybody. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.